Having removed the tape, clean away all this sticky residue. And dispose, because we do not want any of it to get onto the edge. I always take this opportunity to oil the customer folder. Good. Much smoother. Nano oil is really good for folders. By the way, I am not sponsored by Nano oil. None of my videos is sponsored by anyone. It is important for me to avoid any suggestion of outside sponsorship. So Nano oil for folders is number 10. They call it weight 10. People who deal with razor edges know that under 100 BES, the BES certified media and disposable clips measure the same. Or near the same, which practically is the same. Falls through. The edge we've got splits head here and is very robust. It will stay shaving sharp for months. Can you focus, please? It cuts it before I can split. Second. I'll make another attempt. Maybe it will show better, nicer on the camera. Problem with this hair is it is like willing to pop rather than to whittle. It pops, not the edge is too sharp for the hair. Aye, popped again. I cannot show you the splitting because the hair just silently falls as soon as it touches the edge. The edge is a silent cutter rather than a whittler. Aye. The hair just falls immediately as it touches the edge. Let's move to the next step of our testing. Try to show the scale. The edge angle is 15 degrees per side. Good, thank you. Can you show the cut end, please? This is a 5 centimeter, 2-inch, 4-core manila rope. The challenge of this cut is that I do not slash and the rope is free hanging. Let me try again and see if I can cut the full thickness. No slashing. I touch the rope and do a pure cut. It has gone through 3/4 of 4. I heard that some experts argue that polished edge is not good for cutting rough materials. Bollocks. And now the edge sharpness after cutting the manila rope. The edge now is of course not sharper than a razor, but still shaving sharp. I know that our edge is damn strong and stays shaving sharp for months. Using this method, the final sharpness will score anywhere between 15 and 40 best. What we get is the first score that we get under 50 best. And we cannot improve it further because in that micro world of nanometers, randomicity rules. You can get 15 or 40 best. And if you get 40, you cannot improve it by more honing. Because even using the finest abrasives, your honing acts on the edge, apex, like Gulliver among Lilliputians. Our sharpening protocols work for everyone. Don't take my word for it. Check the Insane Sharp by our followers on our website.